Hello guys,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, go to do a work activity. A work activity. For a start. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Heels. Okay, sit down. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Today we're going to receive a new topic. How many and how many and how much? How many we use completely countable now? For example, egg, apple, tomato, potato, onion. How much we use and quantity of uncountable now? For example, water, milk, rice, sugar, time, bread. For example, I can say, how many pencils do you have? For example, or how many tomatoes do you have? In this part, how much I use? For example, how much water do you have? How much milk do you have? Okay, so entonces, for example, how many tomato I have here? How many tomato I have here?
Two.
I have 2 tomatoes. Okay. How many eggs I have here?
Two egg.
Exactly. I have 2 eggs. How many onions I have?
Two onion.
I had 2 onions. How many potato I had?
One potato.
I want 1 potato. Now, how much bread I had?
One.
In this case, it's uncountable. The bread is uncountable. Yeah? The bread is uncountable. How much milk I have? This part.
Countable.
Countable. Milk, for example, I own at home. How much sugar I hear? That's uncountable. The sugar is uncountable. Alright? How much rice is here? For example, this rice is cooked. Countable. Perfect? Is clear? Is clear? For example, the market is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Why? Why is
Because
countable?
I can count this. Because I can count this.
Because I can 1, 2, 3.
Three.
For example, this food is countable or uncountable? Countable. Perfect. The time is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Perfect. The water is countable or uncountable? Perfect. Is clear?
Yes.
So, concentration, please. Only how many you use for countable? Only you use how many for countable now? Only countable now. No more. How much do you use only countable now? Uncountable now. No more. Perfect.
Perfect.
It's clear? Okay. Now, now, we have activity. Activity in class. Okay? Activity is known. Activity. Activity.
Anong
You have to paper.
You form, please. Excuse me. In this paper, you form how many and how much? How many and how much?
Solamente how many or how much?
Yes.
Agora também.
Yes. How many?
Aquele
How
que eu
much?
poderia.
Look the paper, please. The image, you can be the image.
Quieto que. Quieto que.
Yeah? Start.
Esto está fácil. No tuve que prender sopa, pues.
No problem. Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Question.
I read it from that.
Okay, teacher.